Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by searching Pinterest with precise keywords and using filters to limit size and orientation. Once you spot a candidate, click through to the original source to verify context and full resolution. Make sure you identify the license, Creative Commons, commercial use allowed, or restricted, and note any required attribution. If the license is unclear, message the owner or avoid use. This sets you up legally and technically before you download, preserving time and preventing later rework. Once done verifying the source, download the highest resolution file allowed or request a high-res copy from the owner. You should edit thoughtfully, crop, color correct, resize to match your output, and add overlays or watermarks only if permitted. Always keep the unedited original for records. Make sure to log the image source, exact license terms, and any correspondence in a simple spreadsheet. This reduces risk and speeds future reuse, while preserving attribution details required for lawful publication. Now publish with proper attribution and license details visible where required. Caption or metadata are good places. Optimize the file. Save for web, pick JPEG or PNG depending on transparency, and compress to balance quality and load time. Once live, monitor for takedown notices or owner requests. If you receive a complaint, remove the image immediately and contact the owner to resolve or replace it with licensed content. A quick removal and communication usually fixes disputes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.